This week on Just Jason Keto, we're making crispy bacon wrapped olives. So let's get started. So for this week's quick and easy keto snack kind of thing that we're going to make, as you've seen from the title, it's just going to be a bacon wrapped olive. So we're going to use some of these stuffed olives. These are stuffed colossal olives. I just got these from Walmart. Obviously you could use whatever kind of olives you like. I enjoy garlic stuffed olives as well, and they would work well with this snack that we're going to make. This is super simple, something that I quite often take to parties. You know, if we're going out to a gathering and we need to bring a dish, this is something that I bring because obviously it's something that I can eat while I'm there. Basically 2 ingredients, and then you're going to need some toothpicks. So it's just that easy, and then a few minutes in the air fryer or in the oven, and it's all done. So basically what I have here is I have 2 strips of bacon that I've cut into thirds. So basically 1/3 of a strip of bacon for each olive. All we're going to do is wrap the bacon around and skewer it with a toothpick, and do the same thing with the other 5 olives here. Like I say, this is so simple and easy and quick, but I guarantee people will love it when you take it to a party, or if you want to just do a quick appetizer at home, or you want to just for a snack or whatever. It doesn't take very long to cook either. Sort of basically however long it takes you to cook some bacon is all it's going to take. So we'll get these last 3 wrapped up and then we'll start cooking. Okay, so there's our 6 bacon wrapped olives ready to go in the oven. So like I said, I'm going to put them in my toaster oven, probably at about 400 degrees, and we'll come back when they're ready and I'll let you know how long they took to cook. Okay, so our bacon wrapped olives have been in the toaster oven at 400 degrees for 11 minutes, closer to 12 kind of thing, and they look like they're nice and crispy. So we're going to pull those out, put them aside, let them cool off just a little bit before we plate them. And if you're wondering what I did with the rest of the bacon, well, there it is. 400 degrees, about 15 minutes in the oven. That's the way I like to cook the bacon all the time. Gets it nice and crispy. So we'll be right back and we'll give these a try. Okay, so our crispy bacon wrapped olive bites here have cooled down a little bit. Now, like I was saying earlier, you can use whatever kind of olives you like. These are a real hit at parties, I've found. They always all get eaten. So, and as you saw from the beginning of the video, they're super easy to make and they don't take very long. Cook them for 10-15 minutes before you head out to the party, and then warm them up when you get there, and they're good to go. So as you can see, they're nice and crispy here with the stuffed olive in the middle there. So let's give this a try. Yeah, that's a really tasty little snack. Now, I realize that lots of people out there don't like olives, so this may not be for you, but I do enjoy making nice, easy, simple recipes like this, and I just wanted to do something a little different than the chaffles that we usually do. We'll probably do chaffles again next week, but I wanted to do something a little different this week. So if you're enjoying the type of videos I'm putting out there, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and we'll see you next Saturday for our next recipe video. Keep on thriving, my friends.